Wir wissen, dass Kinder mit Sprachentwicklungsstörungen später soziale Probleme haben, schulische Probleme, schlechtere Berufe bekommen. Das wollen wir einfach verhindern. Und das können wir natürlich durch diese Kombination aus klinischer Forschung und aus neurowissenschaftlicher Forschung ganz wunderbar tun.
At the Max Planck Institute for Human, Cognitive and Brain Sciences in Leipzig, I'm investigating the role that certain properties of the human brain have for our ability to process language and to understand language. And in particular, those properties that I'm interested in are electrophysiological properties, so they relate to the way that the human brain processes information with the help of electric activity. And this activity is structured in time, you could call it rhythmic. And now the alignment between those brain rhythms and speech is very important for understanding what someone is saying. One type of therapy that we're currently testing at the University Clinic in Münster is called Enhancement Therapy. And this type of therapy is using audiobooks. In the midterm, we could come up with a therapy method that would link a recording of neural activity that tells us whether the child is now processing speech well to a new intervention technique that is enriched with certain acoustic or lexical parameters. So the brain response of the child would directly steer the intervention and thereby optimize and probably maximize the effect.
Da wir jetzt über die Neurowissenschaften wirklich einen neuen Zugang schaffen und ganz neues Verständnis haben, wie Sprache überhaupt funktioniert, mit Rhythmen, mit Struktur, mit Hirnarealen und so weiter, kann man ganz anders zugreifen und andere Stimulationswege finden, zum Beispiel über die Verstärkung bestimmter Silben, die nicht richtig verstanden werden oder nicht richtig ausgesprochen werden können, dass man darüber wirklich neue Ansätze hat, um Kindern schneller auf den Weg zu helfen in ihrer Entwicklung.
For our society, an inefficient therapy of a disorder that affects about 10% of children is just very costly. So the public healthcare system is under immense pressure from this disorder. The long-term consequences of the disorder in the social and educational sector we can hardly quantify. They must be huge. It is, of course, the goal of every scientist to benefit the human condition, to make life better for all humans, ideally. And here we are talking about 10% of children in this country, and making their life better is, of course, an important goal for both a fundamental and a translational scientist.